中医，
中医。
Traditional Chinese medicine, Zhōng is a therapy and a theory on how to stay healthy. Diagnosis in Zhōng comes from various forms of observation, including visual, auditory, olfactory, tactile, and questioning. The doctor observes a patient's tongue, voice, inquiries about the patient's habits and medical history, and feels the patient's pulse to make a diagnosis. Therapies in Zhōng emphasize tactile stimulation. Doctors give massage. Tools for gua sha and cupping are easily found in daily life. Herbal medicines are selected from natural plants and processed to cure different diseases. Zhōng ascribes to the belief that the human body has its own functioning system. People are healthy as long as their body system remains balanced.
中医，
中医。